Let me tell you my story. A story about someone who waited. They waited for the right time, the right day, the perfect moment. They turned into weeks, weeks into months, and before they know it, the year was over. Sounds familiar, right? That someone was me. There were things I want to achieve this year, dreams I kept putting off, telling myself I'd start tomorrow. But tomorrow never come. Until one day I realized something: time doesn't stop for anyone. And if I kept waiting, I would stay in the same place years after years. So one day I decided to start. It wasn't easy. The first push-ups felt like impossible. The first plank felt like forever, but I didn't stop. I kept going and I got stronger, not only physically, but mentally too. And suddenly my life wasn't waiting for the perfect time. It was about to creating it. This year I stopped waiting. I started my fitness journey. I started my challenges and my YouTube channel. It wasn't perfect, but it was real. And you know what? It taught me a lot about starting messy is better than not starting at all. Just think about it. The hardest part isn't finishing, it's about starting. That workout we have been putting off, that idea of vlog, a video or a business. Start it now, even if it's just a one step. Take it. Because every action you take today will create momentum for tomorrow. Just imagine looking back at the end of 2025 and saying that's the year I stopped waiting and start living. Don't wait for the new year. Let 2024 December 27 will be the year you start. Your time is now. Comment below and tell me what are you starting today. Let's make this community where we inspire each other to take action. And remember, it's not about waiting, it's about showing up. Let's do this together. Keep grinding, King. Start now.